Hi, my name's Tim Thomas and I'm the Propel South Wales West regional candidate for the Welsh parliamentary elections in May. And I live in Bridgend with my wife and 2 children, and it's a fantastic place to raise a family. In May 2017, I was elected as the County Borough Councillor for the Ynysodrad ward, defeating the Labour Party to take the seat. So South Wales West has had a proud history, from the tin works in Swansea, to the steel works in Port Talbot, to the coalfields in Neath, and the car factories in Bridgend. South Wales West has been an economic powerhouse. So lately our industries have been in trouble. Tin and coal are long gone, and our manufacturing and steel industries are under threat and no longer in Welsh hands. And that's why Propel has a plan to help our industries thrive. The British Geological Society estimates that in the hills around us there is billions of pounds worth of natural gas that we can extract and sell. And most of it is in Bridgend, Port Talbot and Swansea. And we could be extracting that gas now, but the Welsh Labour government won't. They think it's more sustainable to ship gas in 6,000 miles away to places like Qatar with very dubious human rights records. Labour are happy to use gas, just as long as it's not Welsh gas. So while the Qataris are getting rich, 25% of Welsh people are living in poverty, according to Oxfam. So what will Propel do? Well, I have signed up to the contract with Wales, which means if we are elected, we will introduce a Welsh Energy Independence Act to the Welsh Parliament. We will set up a Welsh national energy company whereby the profits from gas supplies will go back to the people of Wales, including in this region. And we'll set up a sovereign wealth fund so that Welsh people can benefit for generations to come. We'll use the money raised to transform Wales into a country of renewable energy. Wales does not have to be poor. We have incredible natural resources, including our people, that could make us wealthy. We just have to have the courage to use the resources we've got. That's what Propel would do in government. We can absolutely transform our region, take control of our destiny, and be even more of an industrial powerhouse. Wales needs champions, so in May, use your important vote for Propel.